Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Shardemarie. Welcome. And in today's video, we're doing our August Boxycharm unboxing. I know, back to back, but there's a reason why my July one went up so late. It's because I was out of town. If you watch my vlog, then you know I was in Ohio for 24 hours basically. And then after that, I was just stuck at work until maybe 5 o'clock, so I wasn't able to record, but we're getting back on track. So before we hop into this August Boxycharm unboxing, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as thumbs up if you enjoy. Now let's get into it. Alright, so you guys know I already looked inside of the box to see what I needed to put on. So I do have on my foundation and my eyebrows on right now, and also sorry for the lighting and if I look yellow, apologies. The sun is not really out, but it's not cloudy either, so I don't know what's going on. But in real life, just so you know, I don't look like this. In real life, I'm matching, but on camera I look completely different. But neither here nor there. Alright, so let's hop into our Boxycharm. So this month's theme is called Dusk Till Dawn. So this is what the card looks like for this month. I love this card. It looks so gorgeous. And you know, it is Leo season. You know, we are fire signs. You know. So it's giving me like Leo vibes. I don't know why, but I love the way the card looks like. Anywho, let's hop right into it. So the first thing is this Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Cream. I've been getting so many eye creams in my Boxycharm that I don't ever have to purchase any more eye creams. I have enough. Your girl have enough, okay? So this retails for $42 and it's supposed to reignite the sparkle in your eyes with a gentle but powerful eye cream formulated with avocado, retinol, coffee berry, and niacinamide. And it's long-lasting, activates, release to help moisturize, brighten fine lines, and depuff. So I'm excited to try this out. I don't think I ever got anything from Glow Recipe before in a Boxycharm, but I've heard about how good Glow Recipe is. And yeah, there's no smell, so that's cool. That's cool. So next in the box, we have another Alleyoop product. If you remember in the last Boxycharm, we got the same product, but this is in a different color. So the first one was in Sunkissed. This is in, what's the name of this one? This is in Cocktail Hour. So it comes with 3 cream products. It comes with the cream highlighter, cream bronzer, and the cream blush. So this is the highlighter shade in this one. So it's a little bit deeper compared to the one that we had last time. So this might work better for me as far as highlighter goes. Then we have this gorgeous raspberry blush here. And last but not least, for the contour, it's a very dark brown. So this one will probably work better for me as a contouring shade compared to the other one where it's a little bit too light, but I love the blush in that one. That's why I still have it. But the other two, I wasn't a huge fan of. So this retails for $38. So let's go ahead and try out the cream blush. Not blush, I'm sorry. Let's try out the cream bronzer. So I have this brush here. This is an ankle brush. This is from one of my friends' brush line. Is called Limitless Beyond Beauty. I'm gonna have her Instagram linked down below if you guys are in the market of looking for some new brushes to try from a small business. Rephrase that, a small Black woman owned business. Then I would give that a try. So this is what the bronzer well, I'm sorry, the cream contour is looking like. Then I'm just going to go over the edges with my foundation brush that I use. Okay. So yeah, I definitely prefer this bronzer, well, this contour compared to the other one, but I will say I do see a tad bit of a red undertone in there, so you know, do with that with what you will. If you're my skin tone, just realize you might see a tinge of a red tint, but if you just go over it with your foundation brush or whatever you use for foundation to tone it down just a little bit, it'll work just fine. Okay, so now let's move on to the blush. And it does get kind of messy in the package, so I will say you might need to clean it up after you're done using it with like a makeup remover wipe or something, because it does get messy in the pan. Okay, so this is the blush. Obviously this side is more pigmented because that's the spot where I put the blush at first, but either way the blush is very beautiful. These blushes and these 3 stacks I really like. They're really pigmented and they do what they need to do. Alright, last but not least on the list of things to try out from this three stack is the highlighter. So I'm just going to use my finger. Yeah, still nothing that bothers me, but it's still gorgeous. It's one of those lit with thin type of highlighter. So that was the Alleyoop product. Next we have the CAB Cosmetics Loose Setting Powder in Translucent. This retails for $30 and it is a mattifying powder that locks in makeup and minimizes shine, all in one soft and silky formula. And this will leave you shine free for 6+ hours, it says, but I don't plan on wearing my makeup for 6+ hours. But if you were, that's what, you know, it's going to do. So before we use that product, I'm going to put on some concealer. I'm using my Juvia's Place concealer in number 16. Okay, so it definitely is mattifying. Okay, definitely didn't add any other color or, you know, mess with the colors that we already have with the bronzer. Well, I keep calling it the bronzer, but it's contour shade. With the contours and the blush and the highlighter, I can still see them, but I did just use whatever was on the back of my hand and whatever was left in the cap just to set the whole face after I concentrated it in the areas that I needed to. So I'm not gonna add anything else. Like I was gonna like add more blush and everything, but we're just gonna leave it as it is. Okay, so we have 2 more products left in our box. So for the next product, it's going to be, let's start with our eyes. So I have this Girlactik Metallic Eye Sparkle Shadow. This retails for $20 and this is in the shade GLAM. It's a velvety and easily blendable metallic cream shadow formula that creates a high reflex sparkling finish that's easy to apply, blends easily, and wears all day. So I don't have any eyeshadow primer on. However, I did set my eyes because I put foundation over my eyes, like well, whatever was left on my brush over my eyes, and then when I just used that CAB powder and just set it that way. So I don't have any like powder on my face, on my eyes, but I am going to take my bronzer here and use it as a transition color, just so we can have something.
It's a vibe on a Saturday. It's a vibe on a
Okay, so this is what the eyes are looking like, and these are very soft, romantic eyes I probably have ever done with only 2 products. This metallic eye sparkle and some bronzer in the crease, and this is what the eyes are looking like. So pretty, so gorgeous. These are gorgeous. So I'm gonna do the rest of my eyes off camera, and then we'll be back to do the lips and round off this video. Okay guys, so now the last product in our Boxycharm is a lip oil. This is from the brand Tanais. It's a new brand to Boxy, and it is a ultra shiny gloss infused with nourishing coconut oil and pomegranate seed oil to plump and hydrate, plus a sheer shimmery pink tint that you can build with each stroke. So as you can see, it is that like I said, that pink color, and it's similar to the color of the blush. That's why I'm like, oh, they made it perfect this time around. And because the eyes are so neutral and so soft and glam, that I think this will be perfect. I already lined my lips with my Juvia's Place lip liner in Cola, so now let's try this out. So the pink is kind of prominent, but it's still sheer enough where it's not like too overpowering. So these are the lips with the lip liner and the oil. So the name still sounded confusing to me because it says it's an oil, but when you put it on, it doesn't feel like an oil. It definitely feels like more like a gloss than a lip oil. So I think they need to change that name because it's definitely not a lip oil. It might have oils in it, but it's definitely has the consistency more of a gloss than an oil to me, personally. So this is my face using all of the products in our Boxycharm this month. So let me add up everything to see how much it all costs. So this month's box retail for $157, and you get all of these items for $30 a month, so not a bad deal at all. So let me run down what was my favorite. I will have to say, out of everything in my box this month, this is probably my favorite thing from Girlactik, which is a new launch. No, I'm sorry, the CAB Cosmetics is a new launch from CAB, but I've never gotten anything from Girlactik, so this is my first product, and this, like I said, retails for $20. It has like a rose gold bronze look to it, so it gives you a very soft, glamorous look. I wouldn't wear this obviously during the daytime, but at night, like maybe for the evening time, like maybe a 6 o'clock dinner or something like that, then I will wear this because I still don't think it's good for the night. Like you would need something more sparkle, you know, and this gives you a soft sparkle. This eyeshadow. However, it's gorgeous. I love it. It will be staying with me. I mean, all these products are actually staying with me. I'm really surprised about the Alleyoop one that I actually found a 3-stack from Alleyoop that, you know, would fit me because, like I said, the last one wasn't my shade minus the blush. That's the only reason why I still have it. But all the products worked well. I mean, obviously I didn't try the eye cream yet. But when I do, I'll let you guys know. But all the products worked well. But that eyeshadow was definitely my favorite thing out of my box this month. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, as well as subscribe and turn on your bell notification to get notified when I upload my next video. Let me know down below what you guys would like to see, and also let me know if you had Boxycharm, what did you get in your Boxycharm this month? Let's start a conversation. I love you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
It's a vibe.